Yo, man. It's your boy Sheed here, man. Back with another banger video. And today's video, we're doing something completely different for the channel. Today, we're doing some POV content. So, yeah, I still want to do the self-improvement thing on this channel. I just kind of want to do it a little bit differently. So, how we're going to kind of do it is, we're going to be driving around, doing all that good kind of stuff, and then doing our self-improvement content as well. So, it's going to be the best of both worlds pretty much here. So, in this video, I really want to discuss, and I probably have talked about this topic before, but it's been on my mind lately. Just doing you. Like, the main thing in life is to just do what you feel. Like, you can listen to other people all day, and I'm all for constructive criticism. You can't just say everything I say is right. You can't be like a Kanye, you know what I'm saying? Because then you're kind of crazy. But at the same time, you do need to kind of just do what you feel is right, bro. Because when are you gonna when are you gonna get your shit together though? Think about it. Because if you got an idea in your head and you say, hey, I want to do this with my life, and then you tell somebody about it, they be like, man, that ain't gonna work, that ain't gonna work, that ain't gonna work. Then when you ever gonna try? How are they gonna tell you what's gonna work for your life? You see what I'm saying? That's how I look at it. How is somebody else gonna tell you what's gonna work for your life? They don't fucking know. They don't walk in your shoes. That's like with YouTube channels and things of that nature. Like, I got a couple of them. I know I'm good at my content. I know the quality of my content, but you'll probably still have people that say, oh, that's cool, but you need to, get a job and stuff like that. I got a job. Like, I'm not against having money, bro. Like, you gotta have some money coming in, bro. I'm gonna tell y'all that now, bro. Don't be. I understand y'all want to have side hustles, and we all do, but you still have to have some type of income coming in. You got to pay the bills. But on the outside of your regular job, that's when you work and get your shit together and actually make something for yourself, bro. Don't let your dreams become like nothing. You know what I'm saying? Because your dreams can turn into something. That could turn into your life. It could turn into your reality, bro. I'm so serious, bro. You just got to have faith in yourself. But the thing is, you got to constantly grind, though. Like, you got to put them after-hour grinds in. That's the problem with most people. Most people don't want to put the after-hour grinds in. They want to grind. They just want to grind one time a day for 8 hours, and they want to call it quits, bro. That's not going to get you to the next level, bro. Anybody that's made it, they probably were doing the same thing you was doing. They was working and outside their job. How you think that people build successful businesses, bro? They stay there's some sleepless nights and shit. It's a lot of shit in there. I'm not sugarcoating it. I'm not even trying to sound like no self-improvement guru. I'm just trying to be honest with y'all, bro. You're gonna have to put that work in after hours to get yourself together, bro. I'm just being honest, bro. It's just crazy how people can try to tell you something that don't walk in your shoes, bro. You never walked a day in my shoes. You don't know how I live my life, bro. You don't know what my plans is. Like, hell, if I'm starting a YouTube channel, bro, I'm a fanatic, bro. Y'all see I got 4 channels, bro. Like, you say you gonna start a YouTube channel, be a fanatic about what you talking about, bro. Like, don't be in it and 1 foot in, 1 foot out. If you're starting a clothing brand, don't be 1 foot in, 1 foot out. Go all the way in. Y'all gotta dial in, bro. It's 2024. If you don't dial in now, when are you gonna dial in? Because that's what I'm trying to explain to y'all. The gap is getting wider and wider and wider for you to actually make something out yourself, bro. That gap is just, it keeps expanding, bro. AI, they said, like, look, they got a McDonald's now that's like robot ran, and all you gotta do is just pull up and order. The robot makes the food. I think the only thing they got in there is cooks. It's no like front counter people, no nothing. So imagine like these regular jobs and stuff, that's finna be gone, bro. So what y'all gonna do then? What are y'all gonna do then? Y'all just gonna take the stimulus checks they give you, and y'all just gonna live out there, or you gonna actually make something out yourself? You're gonna go the illegal route? That ain't loan money, bro. You scamming and trapping, that ain't no loan money. That ain't gonna help you in the long term. That's short-term gratification, bro. You gonna end up in jail or dead doing stuff like that, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all can actually make something out yourself. I don't want nobody in life to feel like y'all can't make something out yourself, bro. Yeah, that's what they try to tell me all the time, bro. I feel like that all my life growing up. I'm from Atlanta, but I lived in a small town. I know how that shit feels. Just go get a job, go to college, and do that thing. No, bro. I'm different, bro. I'm built different for this shit. I'm built for this shit. I'm built to take on all the responsibilities I have to get to the life I want to live. I want to be a guy with a Lamborghini. I want to be a guy with a mansion. I know I can do it. Yeah, I come from a small town, for real. Technically, I'm from Atlanta, but hey, I've been growing up in Livingston, Alabama, half my life. That's a small town, bro. So I can technically say I grew up in a small town, for real. Cause, bro, I've been down there since 5th grade of high school, bro. And if I can do this shit and I'm on my grind, y'all can do that shit too. That's a nice Mustang, old school. But yeah, y'all can do this shit too, bro. You just gotta have faith in yourself, bro, and give it your all, bro. Don't go halfway in, go all the way fucking in, bro. I'm just being real. All right, give y'all some gas too so y'all can hear this shit. It's a V6 too now. This bitch don't sound bad. I'm trying to tell y'all, boy. V6 never sound bad. Now, come on now. Don't play with them. It get there. The V6 get there. Don't play. we gonna upgrade too, bro. That comes with time, bro. Like, you don't just start off with a scat bag or a Hellcat, bro. We regular dudes. I keep trying to tell everybody this. Y'all see these celebrities and don't think they had to do the same shit you did. You gotta grind yourself up, bro. First you gotta go V6, then you go scat, then you go Hellcat. My word getting fucked up. You do that, bro. That's how you play the game, bro. Don't try to overstep the game when you're not ready to overstep the game. That's how you get fucked up. That's how you get depressed, bro. You got $1,000 car note, you can barely pay that shit, and you gotta pay rent shit too. Fuck no, unless you got that shit and you having it, then you do that shit, bro. You don't do that shit unless you having it, bro. Just being completely honest, bro. But listen, we're gonna do some more of these, bro, because this shit's fun as fuck. I wanna do like some nighttime driving on the interstate, pushing that bitch. Like, it's a lot of different options we could do with this shit, bro. And this shit is just fun in general. That's why I'm so glad that I got all the setup and shit to do these POV videos, because POV is the best way to drive, bro. Like, y'all just get to see all the action, bro. Like, look at this shit. Y'all get to see a whole field of view of the cars and shit. Highway, all that shit. That shit's dope as fuck, bro. We finna have a blast with this shit, bro. But listen, y'all stay true to y'allself. Keep doing y'all thing. Don't let nobody talk you out of being you, bro. And listen, y'all gonna make it, bro. We all gonna make it together. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's your boy Sheedskii here signing off. Y'all be safe. Have a very blessed day. Peace out.